Guys, kung gusto nyong mawala ang ganitong violation, your post includes information that was checked by independent fact checkers. Ang gawin nyo lang guys, pumunta kayo sa inyong profile, tapos hanapin nyo yung professional dashboard, click nyo lang yan guys, tapos scroll down, hanapin nyo yung tools, click nyo lang guys, yan. Pag na-click nyo na, go to content library, hanapin nyo lang guys, scroll down, tapos yan, content library, click nyo lang yan guys. Tapos pag na-click nyo na yan, ganito ang resulta, ganito. Hanapin nyo lang yung exact date, hours na ginawa nyong post na nagka-violate guys. Hanapin nyo, katulad nito, sample lang guys, ganito, picture kasi yun tapos may text, ganito, kita ko sa inyo guys, yan, kanyan. Pag upper nyan, pag labas nyan, ganito, click nyo lang tatlong dot, tapos delete. Pag na-delete nyo na, back kayo sa help and support, tapos support inbox, tapos your alerts, at ganito na ang kalalabasan guys. Nawala na yung violation ko guys. Friendly reminder lang guys, kapag kayo ay nagbura ng violation, ay umaabot ito hanggang 2 o 3 araw bago mawala. Kaya be patient lang guys. Thank you.